Okay, this is the final draft of my project for social emotional strategies training. This is our welcome page or the introduction. Then there's an introduction slide where the learners are told what they're going to be doing throughout the course and the modules. And they will have an overview video of social emotional skills. So this is kind of the background knowledge that they need to complete the course. And then they will complete this pre-course survey so we can gather which teachers are comfortable with social emotional learning and which ones have no idea what to do with it or don't use it a lot in their classroom. The next module will start the first strategy. This one is called hot chocolate breath or hot chocolate breathing. It's a focus strategy. So they'll watch the video. We have the same breakdown for all of these modules where they watch a video, they see the purpose for the strategy, and then there will be an activity or something for them to do with it. On this slide, they will have an audio walkthrough where they practice the strategy. The audio hasn't been added yet, but they will listen to the audio and complete the strategy on their time and then write a reflection about it. And their activity for their assessment for this module is to draft their own script that they would use with their class. So some way they would make it personal to their students, depending on either the age group or what they know their class needs. The next strategy is an anxiety management strategy called 5-4-3-2-1. So there's a video on that, and then the purpose of the strategy again. And we have the audio. This will be a walkthrough where they can click on parts of the graphics for layers to pop up. So I will add audio to that to explain this, but each part of the graphic will give more information about the strategy. And then they complete the strategy themselves and write up a reflection about what they've observed. The fourth module and the last strategy is Tucker the Turtle, learning about anger management. So they have the purpose again and a visual walkthrough, all the steps of the strategy and the story that goes with it. These are the posters that are used with the students, so the teachers need to be familiar with these, and the cue cards. And then I haven't filled in this slide about solutions yet, still brainstorming ways that I want to fill that area there. And then they answer the survey question about which area of the school day causes the most frustration for students. And this is really to get teachers thinking about when this strategy is going to be most applicable for the students that get frustrated and get angry. And then the final module is a conclusion review. I haven't formatted the review yet for this slide, but then there are some case studies, and they will match the strategy with the case study to see which one works best in that situation, and it'll let them know if they got it correct or not. Oh, I need to do it to move forward, I think. So that is correct, and then you can continue. There's a post-course survey. So these are the same survey questions from before, but after the course, so that you can see whether or not the course has changed the learners' perspectives, the teachers' mindsets on using strategies or not. And then there will be a final slide wrapping it up saying the course is completed.